Hey guys, today, let's learn how to use WhatsApp channel for marketing. So if you are a marketing manager or something like that, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to use a specific WhatsApp channel for your marketing goals and campaigns. Alright guys, so what we can do in order for us to do this, firstly I would like you guys to proceed to create your own WhatsApp business account. So go ahead and launch the App Store. And I want you to go ahead and search for the WhatsApp Business. And then I would like you guys to also download the application on your device. Now utilizing WhatsApp Business, rather than the usual WhatsApp will give you a much more better platform and layout to manage your businesses and also your marketing on the WhatsApp application. So from here, I'm gonna go and launch it. I'm gonna go and log into my preferred accounts as well. Alright, so once you're done logging in, of course, if it's a new account, you do need to go ahead and set up your profile first. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick and tap on Next once you're done. But basically, you need to go ahead and confirm everything about your contacts and stuff like that with your profile. But once it is done, as you could see, you could easily go ahead and use the WhatsApp Business account. And essentially, it will look the same as the normal WhatsApp application, but we do have this Tools tab in the middle. So once you're done with your account, basically the first of that we should do is to integrate our WhatsApp with other communication platforms. So let's say, for example, we are also using the Facebook application to post about our specific business. We could also go ahead and add our WhatsApp contact to that, so that people could contact us through WhatsApp and stuff like that. Same goes with Instagram and other platforms as well. That could be linked with the WhatsApp application, of course. Doing that option, people could actually send you a message through the WhatsApp Business platform, and you're gonna receive those messages through here. So if you are using a specific WhatsApp channel for marketing, either go ahead and add those people who have messaged you over on a specific WhatsApp channel that you have created for marketing, and handle your marketing concerns, campaigns and stuff about marketing over onto that channel. What together with your people who inquire about your business. And of course, it doing so could actually as well be towards the goal of business success. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.